A fantastic debut for a new masterpiece. The new Lamborghini Aventador SVJ meets the Nürburgring, Nordschleife. The new limited version of the Lamborghini Aventador will get a much more aggressive bodywork that's fitted with an active aero agenda, which played a key role in the performance Nürburgring lap time. The 6.5-litre naturally aspirated V12 engine is also going to be upgraded, as you might expect, from the 730 horsepower of the Aventador S to around 790 horsepower. Combine this with a slightly lighter weight figure and it's not that hard to imagine Lamborghini reclaiming this unofficial Nürburgring trophy.